Hello friends, this is Ricky Chandra from Astro Healer channel. Yet again with a new video on the transit of Mercury from the sign of Sagittarius into the sign of Capricorn. See, before I go any further in this video, let me first explain to you what is Mercury. See, Mercury is a planet which is always associated with logical thinking, practical thinking, intelligence, travel, communication, marketing, and so on. He is going to meet a planet, Saturn, who is into his own sign of Capricorn. Saturn here is a planet of limitation, discipline. He will only allow things which is ethical in nature, right? Now, this is a chart that I have drawn, leaving all the other planets which I shall be talking about. What is going to take place? In the Kal Push or the default horoscope, where always you will find Aries, Mercury rules the third house, Gemini, sixth house, Virgo, and being the lord of these two houses, he is entering into the house of Karma, 10th house, where he is meeting Saturn, and soon Sun also will be joining. Sun is coming from the 5th house. On the positive side, I see that many people are going to they will excel in their occupation, profession, or whatever you say. I see people who are associated with sales, marketing, engineering will see a growth. Success and popularity also would be good, and especially when soon Mercury is also going to go retrograde in the sign of Capricorn. I want to go a little further and explain to you that being the Lord of the third house, which represents communication, travel, two things at least the major thing that is represented by this house. Sixth house, leave aside the debts, the enemies, or you can say enemies also. It is pertaining to disease. These two things, ruling the two houses, Mercury is getting associated or conjuncted with Saturn. Saturn is going to restrict. Now, Saturn is going to restrict what? You will see that the travel would be restricted, communication would be restricted, and it could be because Sun also would be joining over here. The Sun and Saturn combination itself is talking about. Now, how can you be restricted? So I see, maybe because of COVID, again you will see that the communication also would break down, which means the travel would be restricted. I don't say it's a complete lockdown, but on the positive side, people who are involved into mass media, communication, marketing, and so on, they are going to get the benefit out of it. So it's a mixed result, I would say. So this is taking place on the 29th of December at around Indian time, Delhi time, I would say, is 11:15 in the morning. Keeping all the information that I have just shared with you, let us see what is going to be the impact on each zodiac sign or Lagna sign. Many people have been commenting and asking me, should we look from moon or Lagna? It's my sincere request. Please understand the concept behind it. See, Lagna is very important because if you look at from a broader perspective, Lagna plays a very important role. But yes, we should not ignore the moon sign also, because whatever has been spoken about in this, whatever I'm going to say, that could also be related to what is going to be your thought pattern. See, I have explained to you this earlier also. Lagna means a person standing on the street looking at a bungalow. See, looking at the bungalow and you coming out of a bungalow, what would be the perspective of a person standing across the road? You would say, oh, a millionaire, a rich man in a big bungalow, coming out in a nice car. Fine, that's the Lagna. What is a moon? Moon is a man inside the car. He just had a fight or a conflict with his wife. He is completely depressed. That is the reality, the thought process in the person's mind. Now, when you look at your Lagna and a moon both, so you can understand, okay, this is going to be my environment, this is going to be my situation, but in that situation also how I'm going to react. It could be the other way also. If you look at the Lagna, you are staying in a very small hut or a cottage. Fine. So people would say, oh, he is not a rich man. But who knows? Inside that person, he is very happy, very contented. He has got no complaints, whatever he has. So, read from both Lagna as well as from the moon so that you come to a conclusion. Okay, yes, this is going to be the environment around me and this is going to be the situation, my thought process, whether I am going to feel a little low or I feel very happy, very pleasant. Keep this in mind so that things are very clear. So let's begin with the first sign, Aries. So friends, the first Lagna sign that I shall be talking about is the sign of Aries. Now, Aries, Mercury is the lord of your third house and the sixth house. I've just explained to you, and it is being posited in the 10th house. This will make you very serious, very devoted about your work and your career. Especially because Saturn is sitting with Mercury. Now, due to the conjunction which will take place a little later on the 14th of January, you will see that Saturn is there, Sun is there, and Mercury is there. And you will try to plan it out, like, how are you going to work? So, what are your priorities? You may get, and definitely there would be an increase in your income. Sun also is joining. You will have to work and you will be working very hard this time, and you may also get the honor, the respect, because Saturn, Sun is joining in. Sun is about success, fame, name, little bit of pride and ego, all those things. Especially for those who are working for maybe government sector, and especially if they are working for administrative work. You will be very much inclined into doing something which I can call as healing people, because it is the sixth house which is coming into play. So you will be involved in maybe mentoring, healing, teaching people. You will be very successful if you are associated with any health sector. If you are into medicine, you are into some therapies, or maybe you are a doctor or a dietitian, or you are a health consultant, this is a very good time. Also, it's a good time for accountants. Also, Mercury represents accounts also. So, I would say if you are working for a bank, then also I can see a growth for you. You will get full support from your younger brother and sister, and also from your father. 10th house represents father also. You may, third house is playing a role, so you may even plan for a travel. And travel would be more to do with your work. So it may or may not be for leisure, but it may be for work mostly. You may travel with your friends and acquaintance also. I don't say a no. And especially people who are into writing, writing work, you are an author, or you're writing books or journal or writing blogs. It's a very good time for you. Third house is there. See, this time your writing ability, the skill would be very nice. So if you want to write an article, this is the best time that you can utilize for. The next sign is the sign of Taurus. Now for Taurus, Mercury rules your second house and your fifth house. And it is now getting into the ninth house. So second house is your family, family value, your speech, uh, and then the fifth house is about romance, about speculation, share market, children, and so on. And it's getting into ninth house of fortune. So I would say this will definitely make you very lucky as far as coming months. The wealth is going to increase. All your work also would get completed. Fifth house also talks about that you may get success in education, and especially if it got something to do with foreign country. I also see that family, the domestic life also would be good because Mercury is looking from the 10th house at the 4th house. I see it's a good time for students who are especially doing some, uh, they're studying for something which I can say law, corporate law, labor law, or something like that. This is going to be a very good time for them. You will be able to accumulate wealth as well, and you may get a help from your brother and sister. If you are working for a judiciary system as a lawyer or maybe a judge or whatever it is, it's a good time for you. You will get inclined towards religious activities as well. So you will see, because it's the ninth house, fine. So you will see that things are getting better. Religious activities are there. You may plan out some travel plans, and this travel is going to be more than leisure. It's going to be to do some research work, some project, some assignment that you want to, maybe you want to learn something about a few things, or this could be because you are a counselor and you are traveling to counsel people. If you are if you are into a family business, it's a favorable time. Ninth house talks about, you are continuing or doing something with a family, because it's also, I would say, it is the second house. It's a family and the ninth house. Those who are into a relationship, romantic relationship, auspicious period for you. It's a good period for you. And maybe if you are not into a relationship, it's a good time to be introduced to someone, and then things will move. Overall, I see that it's a very good time for you. Next sign is the sign of Gemini. The lord of your first house and the fourth house, both are kendras, is into the eighth house. So this is, both are kendra, but the eighth house will definitely have a toll. What? Okay. Yes, it's a good time that if you want to, you know, attract people through your communication by doing something like, maybe some people like to do mimicry, or some people are happy with their witty power, very humorous you will become. Some people may definitely have a scarcity of money, so money would be, you may see some money crunch also. Romantic life also, I see that possible is there could be some conflicts. Your respect, your image, your popularity, I see would be, that is the one area which may get a little affected in a negative way. Now, what will happen is, all of a sudden you will feel that you are looking younger, And you're working on yourself also. Maybe you're working on your skin or you're looking on something that the chances is there. You will also become very mischievous, very naughty, because Mercury is a prince. Whatever is your age, you will be a little playful. In spite of you having a money crunch also, you will be like, all with high spirits. Speech is going to be good, convincing power is good. Health disorders, I see there would be some health problem, and Mercury represents two things. One is your skin, and the other is your nervous system. So skin disorder, nervous system could be a problem for you. I want you to just relax for some time. Mercury transitor is never for a longer period of time. Maybe there's some misunderstanding in the family, especially if it happens with your mother. Uh, However, you are going to work on yourself, and maybe there was some interest, some passion that you had put it on a back burner, or you kept it very dormant. Maybe you will try to work on that. Some people will misjudge you or would judge you, I would say, or they will not understand you, your emotions, your sentiments. That also could be a problem for you. You will be very much inclined to learn more about occult science. You will try to get into the depth of the study. Eighth house is a dark house. When you go deep inside, it's something which is underground. You will try to bring it out. So you could be a, if you are into research work, if you are doing some some study which is of a higher strata, it's a good time for you. Next sign is a sign of Cancer. Now for Cancer, the ruler of your third house and the 12th house, see the third house and the 12th house is into the seventh house. Third house is communication, courage, your valor, your mask, media, communication, sibling, friends. Seventh house is your marriage house, your life partner, business partner. 12th house is foreign connection, house of losses also. It's a house where you may even travel abroad. Okay. Now keeping in this mind, I see that initial few months in the year 2022, there would be financial prosperity for you. That's a good sign. Maybe some people will fall into love, or if you are already in love, you may think of activating your seventh house by getting married to your fiance. And I see that you will be happy because there are a lot of celebration and in the family, and you are really enjoying it. If you are married, already married, then you may feel that a little distance uh, from your spouse, because see third house and the 12th house both is a house that it creates a distance. There is also possibility of some misunderstanding between you and your partner. Even if it's a business partner, there could be some misunderstanding. If you are single, then that perfect person that you were looking for, okay, you may find one. First, you will find him as a friend, then maybe you will take it on the next level. You never know. Okay. You may go on a short travel, maybe with your friends or even with your spouse as well. This time you are going to be very logical, very practical. Some good decisions would be taken by you, which is going to be very favorable for you in the long run. See, if you are doing or you are associated or you are into some joint ventures, I want you to keep a low profile, because here I see some difficulties with your subordinates also. So, which may have a great impact on your business as well if you are into business. However, I see that if you have got anything to do with a foreign company, or you are into export, import, or any kind of connection, you are working for an MNC, then there are it's a very 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 beneficial time for you. It's very auspicious for you. Coming to the next sign, Leo, the lord of your second house and the 11th house, both the houses are known as Dhan Bhav. That's a Dhan. Okay. And it is in the sixth house. Now, this brings success and great success out after struggle. Shani, they will always give you something after you put a lot of efforts into it. If you are into some litigation, some court cases are going on over there, this you are going to be victorious. You are going to win the case. But yes, it's going to be stressful, little hectic for you, and because you are too much involved into it, that is the reason why you are not getting happiness and peace. But don't worry, you are coming out uh, it's a very favorable time for you. Income will be good. Expenses, yes, would be on a high rise. So career wise, I have got no, I see it's a good, great time to take your career on a higher level. Some confrontation may be there with the family members during this time, especially if it is mother. There are chances of you buying a property now, a big property in fact, or you do some long-term investment also. Expenditure has to be controlled, otherwise you will find it a little difficult to manage your expenses. If you are planning to apply for a loan, bank loan, sixth house is activated over here, your loan will be sanctioned because 11th house is fulfillment of desire, so that will be sanctioned. Those who are into sales, marketing sector, good time for you. Those who are looking for a job change or looking for a new job or change of location, yes, it's a favorable time for you. So you shall be in your comfort zone. Many of you may also have some conflicts with your friends also, because see, the friend is 11th house, it's gone into the 6th house. 6th house is always to do with enemies. That means for some time you will have some differences with your friends. Next sign is sign of Virgo, the lord of your Lagna, the first house, and the 10th house, is into the 5th house. All these houses are good, pretty good. So I can say I see success, happiness in love affair. I see you are very, very, very creative at this time. Money is coming to you. You are getting more popular in society. Success in entertainment industry or advertising also is very well. If you are into designing or creativity, maybe you are in acting, modeling, very good time for you. Some of you may even get success through electronic media or social media. So if you are on a Facebook or if you are on YouTube, good time for you. You, if you are working for government, and especially if that work relates to anything to do with law, okay, or disciplining or order, putting things in order, then it's a very good time for you. You will be at this time very conscious about your actions. You will try your best not to break any law, or you will even try to see that nobody around you also break law, because Saturn is going to work on Mercury now. It's a good time for your children. They will come out good with if they are pursuing something. You will be too much inclined towards subject of very philosophical, religious or something like that. You will be very much inclined towards that, or you may even start preaching that also. You never know. Students, I would say a favorable time. Your concentration will improve, and you will be able to learn the difficult subject also very quickly. Yes, if you want to make your hobby or your passion into your profession, it's a good time for you. Next sign is a sign of Libra. Now, Libra, the ruler of your ninth house and your 12th house. Now, ninth and the 12th house, both the house is straight away I can say is a foreign connection. fortune and foreign country. Let us first understand that. Why should we look at negative things? Look at the positive side. It is in the fourth house. Fourth house is work getting accomplished, sukh bhav, happiness. Now, success will come with, but after some efforts in your profession, in personal life as well. Your income is going to be decent now. Workload, yes, would be a little hectic. Saturn always, I've told you, will make you work. There may be some differences in your love and family life. Some differences is there. Your competitors will try the best to harm you, but I don't think they'll be able to do anything. During this period, I also see that you are spending lavishly on material things. I have been telling about you people for a long time that control your expenses, because your expenses are going beyond, you're going overboard. You will get support from your mother, and at the same time you will need to take care of her also. She's supporting you, but then you have to support because her health is not keeping so well. You may want to invest into property. You may get some benefit also from ancestral property if you're looking for ancestral property. Yes, I can see success if you're working in a department of law, where uh, you are into counseling, or you are a counselor. Good time for you. If you're aiming to go abroad for studies, then it's a very good time, because ninth house is again higher studies, 12th house is a foreign travel. It's a good time. Those who are into the family business, ninth house is also is family. So family business, you will have a very auspicious period during this time. Uh, you know, you're getting your luck, your favor. The luck is favoring you, and if you are into a family business, all the more good. Now, those who are working from home, and many of us we are, okay, yet you will get increment in your work, and people will acknowledge you, the organization will acknowledge you. Yes, you may make a trip, a long trip now, because ninth house is a long trip, 12th house is a foreign country, so maybe you'll go and spend some time. So, cheerful time with maybe with family itself. You will have a good sense of humor. See, humor is always associated with Mercury. Mercury is a prince. He just wants to do masti all the time. So this is all about you Libran people. So you are good. Next is sign of Scorpio. See, for Scorpio people, we have to understand it is the Lord of your 8th house and the 11th house. It is transiting to the 3rd house. Now, 11th house, 3rd house, okay, but the 8th house is a house where you are digging into something, removing, okay, and you are sharing with your, maybe on a platform. Third house is helping you because it's giving you communication from there. So I see it's a good time to learn something and make that learning help you in your profession also. Those who are into sports also, it's a good time because, or if you are into teaching, preaching profession, I see a good time for you. Income is rising. Mercury into the 3rd house, his own domain, I would say. You will become very popular in media, marketing, and writings, if you're into writing. This period is favorable for those who are looking for to switch over the job. So if you're looking for a job change, it's a good time for you. Good time to spend with your friends also, professional also. It's a good time. Your friends also would help you in your profession. You may have some trouble with office politics, that is there everywhere. So it's not a nothing out of the blue. So people will try to pull you down, and but nothing will happen. They will not be able to do anything. If you are into government job also, I see a transfer, some good news. The transfer would be at your desired place, so it's a good time. See, you will also get some opportunity to make money in the illegal way, okay, or with some hidden income. Okay, be careful. However, you know that Shani Dev will not support you. Anything which is illegal, Shani Dev is going to. He will definitely try to, like, bring you, whatever you are doing will come to surface. That may defame you. Don't do that. Yes, some disagreement could be there with your siblings, and I would advise you to take care of of yourself also, and maybe your siblings also may suffer for some seasonal problem. It is not a big major things, so don't get your mind text. Next sign is Sagittarius. Sagittarius, the lord of your seventh house and your 10th house, is transiting from the second house. Now, seventh house is of your spouse, your business partner. 10th house, your karmasthan, which is your profession, your name, fame, father, all those things. It is in the second house. Second house again is family. It's a gain. It's a dhan bhav. So I see that this is the time to make more money. So accumulate money. In fact, I would say, because second house is accumulation of money. Money comes from the 11th house. Now, income and savings are going to be at very comfortable, and you will have a very luxurious life. There will be gain from multiple sources now. You are getting money from different sources. Too much of money coming over here. If you cannot keep it, I'm happy to, I can always, never know. So there will be celebration also in your family. Your convincing power will be very good. You will be very charming, and you will be, like, communication skills are high rise. You will be cheerful, and you will keep your family members happy, and you will also try to do some little bit of mimicry. Okay, a good sense of humor, I would say. Your spouse will keep you very happy. She's putting extra effort. He or she is putting good effort to, help you out. But if you're single, then what happens? So, if you're single, then you're searching for a partner, there is a bright possibility in finding your soulmate. Yeah, wow. So, and to find your partner, you will see that maybe it is when you're going to some family function, वहीं से कहीं से somewhere over there only you will find someone, or maybe in your friend circle. You never know. If you are into business, it's a good time for you. The employed natives who are, like, into some, especially into accounting or banking, then it's a good period for you. You will be able to crack good deals with your clients. This will definitely improve your profile also, and a decent income or bonus also is on your way. See, investing in money, for long-term investment I'm talking about, will be very beneficial for you, for your future, I would say. Next sign is a sign of Capricorn. Capricorn, we have, see, it is the ruler of your 6th house and your 9th house. So 6th house and 9th house, and it is transiting from your Lagna itself. Now your Lagna will have Saturn, Mercury, and soon Sun also. This is giving you success after hard work. Saturn never gives you anything on a platter. Self-employed people and business people will get success, and you put a little hard work and you will be rewarded with abundance. Health will be good. Minor issues here and there, that is fine. That is not a worry for, I don't see. All your wishes, all your desires are coming, it's being fruitful now. You will have all the energies, you will be very impressive, you will be very articulated, and especially when you are talking in a social group or social circle. Your convincing power would be outstanding, and you will get all your work done by people. Convincing power also is very good. Those who are into any maybe chartered accountant or law, marketing, It's an auspicious time for you. You will have opportunities to make good clients and earn better. Your relationship with your parents, especially if I talk about your father, will be very good. Good understanding now. You will get his blessings, and that blessings are going to help you. You will be very critical and analytical with people around you, even in relationship. You may even have an inclination towards reading religious texts now and gaining knowledge about, some facts, some mythology or something like that. You may face some concern relating to your sleep and nervous system. I told you Mercury always rules the nervous system. So maybe your sleep is a little disturbed, but that is fine. That's no issue. You can always watch some movie the night if you don't get sleep. Therefore, you are advised to take good care of yourself and practice relaxing technique. There are some good, some can play some music and that will relax your mind. If you are married, then you are going to have a good understanding with your partner. Good. There is a possibility of gains in cash and maybe ancestral property also. Next sign is a sign of Aquarius. The ruler of your fifth house and your eighth house is now transiting in your 12th house. See, this is fifth, eighth, and the 12th house. Now, eighth house, 12th house itself becomes a Viprit Yoga. I see that you shall have a very blissful long journeys. Travel to foreign country also is possible. Some of you may also fulfill your desires. Maybe a little struggle would be there, but eventually you will. Here, I would say patience being the essence or the key word if you want to achieve success. See, Mercury in the 12th house also will give success to software engineers for online work. Okay. Some people will also may get name through writing and creativity. The writing and creativity is always, I've told you, is Mercury. And if you are into like you are doing something in computers, decoding as jobs, it's a good time for you. This transit period, you will have a little bit of hardship with your children. So children could cause a little stress to you. Students also will have to work very hard. If you are a student, then to able to get success, you will have to put a lot of efforts. Healthy food, and try to avoid food from outside. Otherwise, that may disturb your digestive system. See, mentally, you may get a little stressed out because several things are going around you in your life. To calm yourself down, it is the best that you get into meditation or make meditation a part of your lifestyle. That would be better. If you are working for any field that is related to law, okay, then I see it's a good time for you. And then there are chances that you may even, if you want to, may have a settlement abroad. Those who are working for multinational companies, that means they have their offices abroad, okay, will have a good time. You may also have to travel for work. That means your office or your organization may send you for, it could also be for training also. You will feel, I don't know why, but then you will start feeling a little low in your confidence, or you will face some misunderstanding with your friends, your siblings, and family members also. Don't take it too seriously, things will move out better. Expenditure, yes, is on a higher, right? So you can see that expenses are more. So again, you may come to a point where you will feel a little bit of. Next, I would say is the last sign now I'm talking about is Pisces. See, for Pisces, Mercury is ruling your fourth and the seventh house. Both are the Kendras, and it is sitting in the 11th house. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. Okay. You will be happy, you will be wealthy, you will take initiatives, you'll get all your wishes fulfilled. Wow, good time. There will be increase in respect at your workplace. Also, people will you will get promotion, increment, job transfers. If you are looking forward to, Mercury is transiting from the 11th house. What else do you want? Saturn will also is in full mood to give you money. What else do you want? 11th house, Saturn is always good. Overall, I would say rewarding, happy, blissful time for you. You will make strong success in your career during this transit. If you are into a law agency or something like that, then it's a good money also is coming for you. You will also have an additional source of income. There are possibility of making good amount of money through some property. There is also possibility that uh, that you will do some fair dealings. uh, and I would request you not to get into involved into anything which you feel okay, there is a chances of some corruption into it. Stay away from that. Okay, because Saturn is not going to help you then. You can gain money through if you want to invest into land or property or something like that. Even vehicle also is possible. There would be harmony in your married life. You will get full support of your partner. I see you will see your family members supporting you, your mother, your children. Everything is fine. Your tone of when you speak to people also is going to be very nice, very polite, very soft, and people will appreciate you for the same. If you are a student, you are getting success in education, and this success will come because you have really sincerely put a lot of hard, sincere efforts. Overall, I think for Pisces people, I think it is the best of all the signs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did like this video, share this video, click on the notification bell icon as well, and subscribe to my channel. It's a request. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Thank you so much.